Hi children, welcome back to online learning class of SPPS Ilkal. Dear children, we have been reading the lesson Sheikh Chilli. Let us conclude this lesson in today's class. Today we are going to learn about reading last 4 paragraphs, explanation, new words and theme of the lesson. So without further delay, shall we start reading today's paragraphs? Yes, Here we have the last 4 paragraphs. I will read them. You listen carefully. There came a time in Sheikh Chilli's life when he had no work and no money to buy things for himself. He often borrowed from his friends. Finally, even his friends stopped lending him money and giving him things. One evening, Sheikh Chilli was sitting in front of his house, feeling sorry for himself. There was not even a single grain in his house. Hungry and lonely, his mind began to work overtime. He decided to rob the rich merchant's storeroom for some grain. The merchant's store was always stacked with grain and other food items. That night, when the clock struck 12, Sheikh Chilli set out on his task of robbing the merchant. He succeeded in sneaking into the storeroom. There, he packed enough grain for himself. Just as he was about to move out, his eyes fell on a bowl full of milk. Sheikh Chilli was very hungry and could not resist the temptation of making delicious porridge for himself. Having decided this, Sheikh Chilli set about the task of cooking the porridge. He lit the stove and after putting the pan with milk and cereal on it, he sat down to stir the porridge. Occasionally, it so happened that the servant's daughter was sleeping nearby. When the porridge was just half done, the girl stretched herself and her hand with her palm open came in front of Sheikh Chilli's eyes, thinking that the girl was asking for some porridge. He grumbled, "Can't you wait for some time? The porridge is not yet cooked." Incidentally, the girl withdrew her hand. At the same time, everything was quiet for a while. After about 10 minutes, she again stretched her hand. This time, Sheikh Chilli mumbled angrily because the porridge was still not ready. However, when the action was repeated for the third time, Sheikh Chilli became quite annoyed. He shouted, "I told you to wait for some time. If you are so hungry, here, take this porridge." Saying this, he dropped a spoonful of hot porridge on the girl's outstretched hand. Needless to say, the girl's screams brought the whole house into the kitchen, and Sheikh Chilli was caught and put behind bars. His desire of eating the porridge remained unfulfilled. So this is the last story of Sheikh Chilli, and it is very interesting story. So here you can see the list of meaning of new words, and you can take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook and also underline these words in course book. So let us know the meaning of last paragraphs. Last episode with picture. So once there was a situation in Sheikh Chilli's life. There was no work and no money to buy things for himself. So sad. Then he sat in front of his house. Look at the picture. He borrowed many times from his friends. One time they have given, second time they have given, but after they stopped lending him money and giving him things. So one day he did not eat anything morning to evening. He sat in front of his house because there was not even a single grain in his house. He was upset, and his hungriness and loneliness made him to think over time. Then he decided to rob, it means steal, some grain from rich merchant's storeroom. It was always stacked with grain and other food items. At that night, 12 o'clock, when it struck 12 o'clock, he started and he succeeded in sneaking into the storeroom. Look at the picture. And packed enough grain. How much you want to? How much he need? And when he was returning from storeroom, he saw there a bowl full of milk. His hungriness could not oppose him to make delicious food, delicious porridge for himself. So he decided to cook porridge. Then he began cooking the porridge. Lit the stove and put the pan and cereals. Where he was cooking the porridge, there was the servant's daughter sleeping nearby. When the porridge was half done, the girl stretched. The girl stretched her hand with open palm. By chance she stretched. Sheikh Chilli saw her and thought that she was asking porridge. Sheikh Chilli grumbled, it means complained in low voice. Can't you wait for some time? The porridge was not yet cooked. At the same time, the girl took back her hand. Then 10 minutes after 10 minutes, she again stretched her hand. Then Sheikh Chilli mumbled angrily. It means inaudible speaking. When she stretched third time, Sheikh Chilli became very angry and shouted, I told you to wait for some time. If you are so hungry, here, take this porridge. By angry saying this, he had put hot porridge on the girl's outstretched hand. See, look at the picture. The hot porridge, when she was getting very hot in her palm, she screamed, shouted loudly, and the whole family members came into the kitchen, and Sheikh Chilli was caught by family members, and they had put him in prison. It means Sheikh Chilli arrested from family members. So sad. His desire of eating the porridge remained fulfilled. See, look at the picture. So this is the last episode of Sheikh Chilli. I am sure it is very clear to you all. And children, read this lesson, whole lesson, then you will understand the theme of the lesson and you will be ready for answering any questions. So do you know what is the theme of the lesson? Look at here. We have got to know that the theme of the lesson. Here it is. Read it. It is better to be smart than simple. It means the person who be smart, he can succeed. He can succeed in his life. And he will bright her. Now this is your homework. Write the meaning of new words and theme of the lesson in English notebook one time. And read all meaning of new words and whole lesson 2 times. Is it clear, students? Dear children, watch learning videos daily. And if you have any doubts, you can call or text me. So we will back with the exercise part and grammar part. We will discuss grammar parts in the next session. So till then, goodbye, read well, good luck my dear students. Thank you for watching the video.